Hello and welcome to 11 Plus Verbal Reasoning. These are type S questions. So let's have a look at the first question. There are two pairs of words shown below in the brackets. And these are the two pairs of words that you can see at the bottom of the image. And these two pairs of words include words such as twig and branch. That's one bracket. And in the second bracket, we've got glue and paste. So choose a word from the list at the top that will go equally well with both the pairs. So remember, we've got to choose one word from the top that would go equally well with the brackets, the words in the brackets at the bottom. So we've got twig, branch. So a twig could be from a small twig from a tree. Branch, we know, could be from a tree. Glue and paste are two words which means that you're sticking something together. So I would choose stick as this particular answer. Why? Because a stick could be another word for a small twig, and it could be part of a branch or a tree. Whereas glue and paste, are two words that could also mean sticking something together. So in this case, our answer will be stick. So you're going to apply exactly the same technique with various different words with the rest of the questions in this particular task. And good luck with this.